Working with groups. I'm going to create a train station on this platform using the ideas of Ludwig Mies van der Rohe. So basically, I'm going to be working with horizontal and vertical planes. So the first thing I'm going to do is draw some planes. Already over here, I have a couple of vertical planes. Now I want to create a horizontal one. So I'm just going to do that by drawing a rectangle. And I'm going to use the push-pull tool to make a horizontal plane. I'm pressing down on the wheel of my mouse to rotate it. Now, really importantly, I want to group everything I create. So I select it all, right-click, and make a group. This helps me copy it, it helps me move between layers, and it helps me edit what I'm doing. So now what I'm going to do is start experimenting with building up my platform using these pieces. So I can take a piece and I'm going to use the Move tool. The Move tool is also a copy tool. If I hold down Control, it allows me to make a copy. So I'm just going to place a few of those at different positions on the platform. I can put them in places and I can move them around. The other thing I can do is scale them. So once I've got my pieces there, I don't need to worry about how big I've drawn them because I can just push and pull them into the scale that I want, and so on. I can take some of these other pieces and also copy them using the Move tool. And I can place them along the platform and build up my idea. So this is the important tool. I can use it to move, I can use it to make copies, I can use it to scale the pieces I put on, and I can use it to rotate, although because I'm doing Mies, I want everything just horizontal and vertical. So once I've got a few pieces together, I can save it as a group. And I can put it on another layer. So here's the train station I've built up so far. So the important thing to remember is to create your pieces on the side, not in place. Just draw your pieces over here, group them, then you can move them over, you can copy them, and that's the Move tool. And don't forget that you can scale them and change their size. So you don't need to worry about how big you draw your pieces.